Do you want to know how you can log into your GIC Mutual Fund account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your GIC Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for GIC Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link, or you can just see login over here. You can click on login and you can see this login portal of General Insurance Corporations of India. So to log into your GIC Mutual Fund account, go ahead and select identified. So there are some options. You can select PAN number, passport number, voter ID number, Aadhaar number and other ID. After that, go ahead and write down your ID number over here. Make sure that it is correct and then write down your date of birth. After you write your date of birth, make sure you check all of these and make sure these are correct and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your GIC Mutual Fund account. If you are a new user and want to register, go ahead and click here and then you can write down your personal details and then you can create your account in GIC Mutual Fund. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.